What is the GX Smartwatch? As I said earlier, the GX Smartwatch is a combo of both technology and modern design. You'll get all the latest smart technologies in it, only by paying a fraction of the price of the most flagship smartwatches. Plus, the smartwatch design is utterly outstanding. That's what you'll say after getting your hands on it. This amazing smartwatch has a classy yet sporty look to it as well as a ton of smart features. Its long-lasting battery life impressed me well with over a month of backup. I connected with my mobile devices and control any smart device with notification functions and touch display screen. Besides, it works as my personal healthcare companion with a heart rate monitor inside to warn me about irregular heartbeats. The ECG feature is among its other health functions apart from sleep monitoring with detecting deep sleep patterns. Main features of GX Smartwatch? This smartwatch provided me everything I needed from giving times with a classic watch design to cutting-edge tech like ECG. Here are the main features of the GX flagship smartwatch that make it stand out from any other expensive smartwatches. Great design. This smartwatch design is utterly outstanding. That's what you'll say after getting your hands on it. It has a genuine leather strap that gives it a classic watch design. You can also get the stainless steel strap version of it. Besides, it has a 1.3 touch display screen with multiple watch faces. Durable body. The amazing LED screen of this smartwatch doesn't need screen protectors as it's IP68 water resistant and dust resistant. Its durable stainless steel body tops its quality over watches with no better than its functions. I enjoy its robust build quality in outdoor activities. Seawater or hill trekking, the watch suits it all. Fitness features. One thing people use smartwatches for is its fitness features, and this premium smartwatch gives it all, and more. It's a standalone heart rate monitor for measuring blood pressure and has a sleep tracking feature built in. Besides, its other notable healthy function will be its ECG option that can track your health functions well. Versatile functions. Not only this amazing device gives me tons of health functions, but it has more versatile smart functions with phone connectivity. Users can build a connection with any smartphone and record calorie, get notification function, alarm function, and more. I measure distance with it, learn about weather, etc. Huge battery. Battery life is one big flaw, even for the expensive Apple Watch. However, this watch gives me a huge backup time that I don't even bother bringing the charging cable with me, even if I'm out for weeks. Its hours of battery charging makes me safe for a long time, so that I can go on vacations without worrying. Accessibilities. Accessibilities go beyond the usual limits with this high-value smartwatch as it offers some pretty amazing options. You can use its pedometer and motion sensors for sleep monitoring, or use it as a remote camera controller. Receiving phone calls, getting notifications, controlling other phone applications are there as well. Benefits of using the GX Smartwatch. The GX Smartwatch is hands down one of the most impressive watches I've ever used. You can tell by seeing its features already that it's a value for money smartwatch. Here are the real-life benefits I'm getting from this smartwatch that might help you understand why I'm suggesting it. Stand out from others. Who doesn't want to look exceptional from the others around with various smartwatches? Well, this smartwatch gives you just that. With its exceptionally well-thought build and eye-catching design, I make an exception among the buzz. You can too. Go for long vacations. Taking a few days off without having your smartwatch charger with you is now possible with the GX Smartwatch. Not days, take weeks, actually. I got a month of backup from a single charge from this watch so far. If you need long battery life, get this watch. Control your phone. This smartwatch helps you control your phone with its remote control feature. You can connect the GX Smartwatch with your Android or iPhone using Bluetooth connectivity and control the phone with it. You can receive calls with it, or make one, get notifications, etc. Get fitness data. You can now take your exercise experience to a whole new level with this smartwatch. It tracks you with health tracker features in real time, monitor your sleep, and you're getting an ECG feature with it as well. Plus, the calorie meter gets all your data on screen. Proper use of time. Setting your course of action for every time can be real smooth with the GX Smartwatch. It allows you to set alarms without needing your phone and keeps you on track. Not to mention, the super smooth screen will give you exceptional control experience.